Farewell, Fugley Island, I'm leaving you now. I'm bound far away where the tall trees do grow, but thy beauty and grandeur will live long in my soul. When I'm far, far from thee, where the loud billows roll. Fugley Isle, oh, fare thee well, childhood's home across the sea. Nevermore thy peaks I'll roam. Farewell, farewell, my dear old home. Oh, the bright, pretty dancers that shine on thy dark shore, and the kitty wakes sweet song, echo blue waters old. But my paths nevermore will lie upon thy green braes, where I played long ago in the warm summer days. Fugley Isle, oh, fare thee well, childhood's home across the sea. Nevermore thy peaks I'll roam. Farewell, farewell, my dear old home. Oh, farewell, thy green valleys where in youth I did roam, with my own bonny sweetheart, a love pure and full. But the pale moon was rising on yon blue hills afar, and the ocean reflecting the bright evening star. Fugley Isle, oh, fare thee well, childhood's home across the sea. Nevermore thy peaks I'll roam. Farewell, farewell, my dear old home. Oh, farewell, my old comrades who are sleeping so sound in yon old ruined churchyard beneath yon green mound, with the great ruling ocean to sing requiem, and the storms of the winter nights sweep down the bend. Fugley Isle, oh, fare thee well, childhood's home across the sea. Nevermore thy peaks I'll roam. Farewell, farewell, my dear old home. Oh, my old legs are weary and my old heart is sore, and soon I'll be leaving my old cottage door, my old home on the hillside by the great rolling tide, where my forefathers strove for long years to reside. Fugley Isle, oh, fare thee well, childhood's home across the sea. Nevermore thy peaks I'll roam. Farewell, farewell, my dear old home. When life journey is over and my spirit is free, I'll recross the great ocean, dear island, to thee. I'll revert at the scenes of my happier days, when fleetfoot and carefree I ran o'er thy green braes. Fugley Isle, oh, fare thee well, childhood's home across the sea. Nevermore